What happens when two industry titans collaborate to create a mattress for all households to enjoy? You get grade A quality, grade A service, and grade A sleep. What is grade A quality? A cover layer infused with dustic freeze technology to repel dust mites and prevent static accumulation. The cooling function is perfect for Malaysia's hot and humid weather. A topper layer made from 100% natural latex. This topper possesses hypoallergenic properties. The use of aniline has been replaced with a food-grade gelling agent, guaranteeing the A-Series mattress remains safe and toxin-free. The topper layer has also been tested for tensile strength, stretchability, and durability with 60,000 compression cycles. Furthermore, its ergonomic support keeps the body in its natural position for a healthier and more comfortable night's sleep. Choose a firm or soft topper according to your preference. An insulation layer, white felt, separates the core and upholstery, increasing hygiene and durability. A core base, pocket springs provide ergonomic support for top-to-toe support. Zero motion transfer also guarantees uninterrupted sleep, no matter how much your partner tosses and turns throughout the night. What is grade A service? Every 4 months, our nationwide 2,000-strong CUCKOO+ service team cleans your A-Series mattress with their signature triple supreme cleaner to maintain its premium quality. Hydro cleaning removes dirty stains and fungal patches. A powerful vacuum effectively removes dead skin, dust, and small particles. All-in hunting hunts down dust mites and bed bugs. What is grade A sleep? Enjoy a grade A plan from only 150 ringgit a month and receive a 10-year warranty with free delivery. This isn't a mattress. This is a mattress. Subscribe now.